Hey everybody, this is Mike, and I just wanted to do a little talk about gold because I know a lot of people are talking about gold being toppy, and right now gold is up almost 1%. It was really high. It had a high of what, 192.91. It's at new highs, but anyway, a lot of people are talking about that maybe too late to get into gold, and what I just wanted to do is just give you a little perspective on what happened to me because I wanted to get into gold at 152 because I felt like, hey, look, gold has been dormant for the past 5 or 6 years and it's starting to move up, and now's the time to do it because I lived through the markets through the 2000s and I saw gold run, run, and run. It's going to run for like, probably going to have like a 10-year bull run. It's just started. So anyway, I did nothing. And my plan was to buy a 175 call leap, and I never did it. Anyway, I watched gold continue to rise, rise, rise. And then finally, when it hit 175, I was so mad. I said, all right, screw it. I'm going to open a call leap spread at 200. It's about 16 months out. So that's what I did. So I opened the call leap up. I believe it was like around late July. And now it's August 5th. And it's already up within 5% of that leap that I have about 16, 18 months out. Just to let you know, I did short the front end month, or it expires September 30th. Anyway, this has been a really good trade for me, but what I wanted to talk about was that it's probably not too late to get into gold because gold thrives in times of chaos, and we've had a lot of chaos since the beginning of the year, and I'm just going to tell you, with the election coming, there's going to be a lot more chaos. So I think it's not too late to get into gold. If you're worried about getting in at a high price, just dollar cost average. If you want to invest 10,000, then just put in 1,000 or 2,000 every month or whatever you feel comfortable with. The trade I like doing is buying a call leap, 10% out of the money, 16 months to 2 years out. And what you could do is you just sell the front end contract, so you generate an income as you make money as that call leap increases in value. So that's one of the things that I think you should look at. And just to give you perspective, it has run up a lot. This is the 1 month chart right here. But if you look at kind of over the year, it's really steep. But I would really say that if it pulls back, just sometimes you catch an asset at a good time, sometimes you don't. But don't let that dissuade you, because if you keep waiting for the perfect time to get into a trade, you'll never get into that trade. There's never a perfect time. The perfect time was probably a year ago or 6 months ago. The next perfect time is today. And have a long-term plan. And also, you don't have to put in a lot of money. Just my perspective is gold is probably going to be up at least 10%, 16 to 20 months from now. So I just buy a call leap 10% out of the money and then generate an income by selling the front-end contracts. So that's one thing you can do. You can try other things. But like I said, I think gold still has a long ways to run. So if you want to get into gold, I would say get into it now. Now, for the second part of the video, I just want to talk about silver because I want to get into silver too, but I'm not getting in yet because I have a plan for silver. One, it's been dormant for a long time. It's run up a lot. I'm not chasing this mountain here. And if you look at the max, it's nowhere near its short-term top, or not short-term, but in let's say 2011, it hit 45.54, at least on the SLV. Here's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the pandemic for the vaccine breakthrough to happen, for everybody to get vaccinated, because I think two things are going to happen once people get vaccinated and the pandemic is essentially over. Is that one, the world is going to open up again. You're going to have more industrialization, and silver is half of a precious metal, and the other half, it's an industrial metal. And so you're going to see industrial demand rise. So that's going to be a natural rise in silver. And then, plus, we're going to have inflation because every single country has been giving, bailouts and cash assistance. So we're going to have global inflation come up. So I'm going to wait at that point. Then I'm going to get into silver, because at that point, it should be a steady climb. I don't like this, silver is very erratic, where it's up 3%, down 3%, or whatever. So that's my plan, and I'll put out another video when I think it's a good time to get into silver. But if you don't catch my video, just for now, I would say just wait till there's a pandemic vaccine, there's like an all-clear sign, everybody begins to industrialize and everything, and then when you have the specter of inflation come in, that'll be the perfect time to get into silver. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to post every day, or as much as I can, but I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to do more. I'm not going to be exclusive to precious metals. I'm going to do a lot of investing stuff. I'm really going to just talk about the trades that I'm in. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. If you enjoy these, please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.